Hey, it's YL, and I'm super excited to have you guys here. Yesterday, we got to witness something amazing, the block reward halving, and it was spectacular. I'm super excited that we got to witness that yesterday, and today we're going to go over Tozex. Tozex is a new token that's launching. They're launching a new form of finance, of a new form of fundraising, crowdfunding, crowd lending. It's a crypto asset platform for issuing, financing, and trading, and they're proposing so much that we're gonna have to do multiple videos on Tozex. We're gonna have to go over the trading, we're gonna have to go over Tokenpad, and we're gonna have to go over Believers Reward Offering, which is their new protocol. So let's get started. Tozex. It's a large project, and I'm super excited to go over this and to kind of get the opportunity to make more videos about this, because it is honestly the new way of this is going to be a staple in tokenizing assets, tokenizing existing businesses, and allowing people with no background knowledge, no expertise, to kind of come in and raise money if they want to, or just be part of the platform. So Token is a financing platform which combines a token issuance model, Tokenpad, which we're going to go over, allowing to launch a token-based crowdfunding campaign, ICO, STO, and Bro. Bro is their Believers Reward Offering, which they are introducing with Tozex. So with an embedded crypto asset marketplace, we're going to go over Bro. And like I said, we're going to have to split this up into multiple videos, because we're going to go over what's the difference and what's the benefits, the advantages and the disadvantages of doing an ICO, an STO, an IEO, and Bro, and how to differentiate and what you should which route to take if you're going to raise funds, or if that wasn't an idea. So with Tozex, you have a decentralized order book, token contract library with the decentralized order book. There is no pump and dumps. The pump and dumps that we see in ICOs, those will be kind of they won't be on the Tozex exchange, where you're seeing large amounts of volume and large amounts of market manipulation from large token holders, in that sense, with their decentralized order book. And the interface is user friendly, very secure, and it's multi-platform. Like we're gonna see, you can work with Ethereum, whatever cryptocurrency that they're offering that is best for your use case. So we're gonna see what they offer, and transparent community voting, regulated exchange, and everything's on smart contracts. So you can see smart contract here as well. Our platform uses the power of smart contracts as a trustless third party, which this isn't based on ERC20 platform. Tozex is its own technology. It's its own blockchain. It's not based off another blockchain. So let's get into it. What is Tozex, or who are they targeting? Who are Tozex? Who are the users of Tozex? Entrepreneurs, investors, and traders. Entrepreneurs are going to launch crypto asset fundraising campaign. Could be either an ICO, STO, or Bro. They're going to expand awareness of your promising projects by submitting it to our community, and obviously your community if you have an existing community. So if I'm an entrepreneur and I wanted to launch an STO, if I wanted to launch a Bro, and I could do it right on the Tokenpad, and essentially it's going to save me a lot of money. It's going to save me a lot of time, because I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with everything that gets into launching an ICO and STO. You have to do all the marketing. You have to, first of all, know how to program smart contracts and know some of this technology and all this, whatever language you're going to choose to program, because it's it's not, you're not going to just, without any prior knowledge, just come in here and write a whole coin or program a whole smart contract. With Tokenpad, it's a lot easier, and anybody with little to no technology or prior knowledge on writing or programming smart contracts can launch their own ICO, can launch their own smart contract, for whatever reason they wanted to, And we're going to go into Tokenpad to go over that. Also, another big one is when you launch ICOs, you have to pay for exchange listings. Exchange listings are expensive. If you're looking at Binance and Bittrex and Poloniex, these large exchanges, it's hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe some tokens or whatnot. So it saves time and important costs, technical, marketing, which we just went over. Create your crypto asset with a sustainable liquid market, which they have their own marketplace, and we're going to go over that as well. For investors, identify early stage investment opportunities on exclusive projects, compare profitability and risks of each project, given bonus or total supply. So you'll get to do your homework, your due diligence as an investor to which project, bro, ST or ICO you want to give your stable coins to. And then liquid investments, investor get back your investments within a unique platform and stay informed about the activities of your projects. And traders, so myself, I'm a trader by day. I do that full time. Multi-signature deposit wallet to keep safe your crypto assets, which is important because there's about 5 to 10 plus exchanges that get hacked every year, and a lot of money gets lost. So to see that and to know that, it kind of puts some more trust into the exchange, into my hard-earned money. I don't want to lose my cryptocurrency. Exclusive opportunities to trade newly crypto assets. This gives you opportunity to buy them when they're starting up. It gives you opportunity not to face any market manipulation, as they have the decentralized order book and some other tools to make sure that doesn't happen. And there's pertinent market information and live market data. One of my favorites is they're grabbing the API of TradingView, and I use TradingView every day. So to know that, that's amazing for myself. Believers reward offering. We're gonna go into this because just this itself, just Believers reward offering, deserves a video itself. And we're gonna compare this against other forms of fundraising, ICOs, STOs, IEOs. So just a brief read over Believers Reward Offering, an innovative way to contribute to our project development, a new crowdfunding facility that allows a company to finance its development by borrowing crypto assets from contributors around the world. This is a new alternative for ICOs or STOs that the crypto space has been waiting for. And it's more transparent. It's not going to, be in shady ICO where you have no idea about who's behind it, what their real intention is. So we click the white paper. We're going to go look over that briefly. But let's keep on the homepage right now. Fundraising structure, 6% to legal, 19% to staff, 17% to marketing, 16% to business and corporate development, 9% for financial services license, and 33% to the Tozex platform. Legal 6%, staff 19%. So it seems pretty divided pretty well with the fundraising structure. That's the token allocation for use of proceed. 61% to bro. I'm assuming that's like running the the being able to reimburse payments, and just to keep all of that running. Airdrop 5%, liquidity reserve 17%, partners 3%, partners and team 10%, 13% total. That's pretty fair in my opinion. They're getting less, 13% of the total. Of the total supply of tokens would be 13% to team, so they wouldn't be able to dump it or anything like that. It's just good to know that. Roadmap, Tozex roadmap, Q1 2020, private bro limited to 150 investors. I think the 150 investors as well get a bonus. The first 150 investors will get a bonus. I'm not sure how much, I'm not sure how they'll allocate it, but I do know they'll get a bonus. Partnership extension with international accelerators and incubators, Tozex pre-beta version. Smart contract, ERC20, ICO and multi-sig externally audited, activation of KYC, buying cryptocurrency with credit cards, which is huge. It allows you to buy crypto. It's a barrier, it's an entry to barrier, so many people don't know how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy stable coins, let alone expose yourselves to this market, and allowing them to buy it with their credit cards and allowing them just to do it on this platform is golden. Investor data requirements activated. So Q2, public bro investment launched, Tozex beta version, UI interface refactored, smart contract, STO, and Bro integrated. It's going to be huge. Software and hardware wallet gateway integrations. Looking forward to that. Deposit and withdraw swap functions. Decentralized order book enabled. Q3, first quarter Bro interests distributed. Listing Toz token exclusively on our exchange, so that'll help with dumping as well, and nobody trying to manipulate the token, the market price, the market action of that token. First financed projects will be releasing on Tozex as well. I don't know what they are. I'm excited to find out which companies, entrepreneurs, investors, whoever it is, traders that have launched or raising or going forward with the Bro, what coins are going to be on the exchange. It's super exciting. And Q4, Tozex final version published, second quarter Bro interest distributed, OTC desk service, which is big as well, and USA and Japan financial services license via deposit. Meet our founders, Remy Andreascan and Christoph Andreascan. Here are their Twitters. I'm going to give that a follow. I suggest you give that a follow for both of them as well. So these guys are brothers actually, and I've had the actually following as well. I've had the honor to speak at an event they are hosted. They host events all around the world. They've been in the blockchain industry for I think, what is it, 6-7+ years now, and they're definitely reputable. They know what they're doing, and these are people I can trust. I've seen, these are both of these guys are somebody I can trust and somebody I can vouch for in the crypto blockchain marketplace. And it's hard to say that because there's so many scams, there's so many people with hidden agendas, but these guys they've dedicated their lives. They're literally pushing forward the digital market, the digital future. They're pushing it forward. They're working with regulators, they're working with large investors, and they're pushing forward blockchain. And this is going to be a cornerstone of tokenization. Tozex, this is huge. And I've gotten to meet both of them in person, and I can vouch for their characters, their intentions, and I just think that they definitely are a staple in the blockchain cryptocurrency industry, and they definitely know what they're doing. So this is why this project's going to be big. They definitely know what they're doing. This is a frequently asked questions. We'll go through some of them. We'll go through some of the important ones. What is the main goal of the project? Tozex has been designed to facilitate the tokenization of our current economy within one ecosystem for all the stakeholders. Tozex aims to align the interests of entrepreneurs, investors, and traders to bring them into a fully regulated and transparent ecosystem. What is the concept of the project? Basically, Tozex is a fundraising platform which uses blockchain technology for small, medium entrepreneurs raising capital. Tozex allows to set up a token-based crowdfunding campaign dedicated to financing SME projects with an embedded trading marketplace. Why did you choose this ITO? We're going to do one more of these. We expect that ITOs will get out of its historic cradle as a fundraising method dedicated to blockchain startups, considering its own characteristics: quick start, massive funds, no capital dilution, liquidity. This new powerful way to raise funds cannot be limited to startups in the future. So there's so much benefits to this, and like I said, we're going to go to Bro. Bro itself, let me see if I can get there, but we will go over the summary with the white paper. We'll go over the summary. Abstract, moving to the token-based economy. Oh, it took me there. Just a second. Tozex ecosystem, learn about the listing, the trading, Tozex fundraising methods, technical aspects, transparency and governance, and Tozex token distribution. So right here would be Bro. What's new with Bro? The Believer's Reward, and this is what's huge about Tozex, Bro. The new protocol that they're introducing. The Believer's Reward offering offering aims to offer a sustainable alternative to initial coin offers, ICOs, and STOs as new token-based fundraising mechanism. The bro allows to sharply decrease the pump and dump phenomenon, limit volatility, foster growth by providing equal treatments of all contributors called believers. How, you ask? The bro allows a company to finance its development through an innovative crowdlending based on crypto assets. Contributors will participate by sending stablecoins such as TUSD and DAY, and they will be rewarded with a fixed compensation amount and also with a complimentary bonus for the true believers who let time to give time for the project to skyrocket. They will be rewarded with a Tozex token on a quarterly basis between 12 and 18 months, depending on the initial invested amount. And the amount, the time frame is up to your choice. So the duration of the loan will depend on the amount of the borrowed amount. All the conditions of the loan are transparent, definitive, encoded on the smart contract. No place for bad faith in the reimbursement which is automated and reflects the initial trust. So that's large. So Bro in itself needs a whole video. We do a video over the benefits of why using Bro over other fundraising alternatives such as like the ICO, STO, IEO. Bro itself needs a whole video. It could be confusing since it's new, so we're going to go over that and everything that it offers. So I think we're ready to go over like Tokenpad now, since we've went over basically the basics of Tozex, what they're doing, what they aim to do. So this is in the back end now, the smart contract library. You can create your own crypto asset, you can launch your own ICO, multi-sig wallet, launch your Bro, it's coming soon, launch your STO, and then tokenization of a traditional asset. I think the upgraded website is coming in a week, and then you can see my smart contracts here. So you can start making smart contracts, and like I said, whatever suits you, whichever blockchain suits you, you can start building on that. So Ethereum Classic, our RSK and credits. So let's click Ethereum, and you can see obviously we haven't made any smart contracts. So we're going to be making videos soon on how to make, how to run your own smart contracts, how to make them, how easy it is to do it on Tozex, how to create your own crypto asset, how to create your own ICO, STO, Bro, and all that great stuff. And we're going to just make them single videos. So, you know, if you want to launch your Bro, you can watch that, just, watch one video and figure out how to do it step by step. Same with ICO and same with STO. And you can just watch those videos and then do it step by step, which will be very soon as this is launched and ready to be, worked on and things like that. So you also have invite a friend, and you will get rewarded. This is your affiliate link. You have the FAQ here, which we went over. So if we go back to the Tokenpad, didn't want to show you the exchange yet. That's for last. I'm a trader. That's my favorite part. So let's go to create your own ERC token. You know what? We'll just save this for another video. We're gonna do single videos for all of these, and we're just gonna make it simple. So let's go to trading. So Tozex is gonna have their own exchange. Tozex is gonna be listed on this exchange exclusively, and every asset that gets, every asset or every entrepreneur that does a fundraiser and then does it through, let's say, Bro on Tokenpad, or even an ICO or even an STO through Tokenpad, their token will be launched on this exchange. And I'm not sure if you know, but ICOs usually to list off for an exchange, it's hundreds of thousands, it's tens of thousands of dollars, a lot of due diligence, and Tozex will do due diligence. It's not going to be a scam coin. It's not going to just be somebody just come on and throw a random token on. There's going to be due diligence. They're going to have to go through processes, and it's going to have to it's going to be transparent. So I was reading up on the exchange. They're gonna implement a lot of new things. My favorite is obviously TradingView. I'm a trader, so this is charts by TradingView. I love TradingView. So that's number one. If it was anything else, I wouldn't have been too happy. But since they're using TradingView, I'm super excited with that. I know they're gonna have buttons actually to trade your whole balance in and out of Tozex. I think, in and out of a stable coin, in and out of Bitcoin, in and out of Ethereum. So you can just change your whole portfolio in one click of a button into one of those native coins, which is awesome as well. And then they're going to add a lot of other features to the exchange, which I'm happy to go over, because like I said, I'm on exchanges all day and I'm trading all day. So whatever they can do to make this smooth, I'm assuming they will get done. So I think that's like pretty much it. We went over Tokenpad briefly, showing you smart contracts. This is the launch pad. We went over the trading exchange. Launch your ICO, as you saw. Before you create crowd sale contract, you need to create ERC20 contract first. So you can just see how easy it is. This is how easy it is to launch your own ICO, for example. So we're going to do single videos, like I said, for that. We went over the trading, we went over Tokenpad, and the project just in a nutshell, the team, white paper, just a little quickly over the summary over that. And that's about it for Tozex. Like I said, we're going to do a lot of videos over the next couple weeks, months, years on how to build these fundraiser campaigns using Tozex. And we're going to be delivering a lot of content, and we're super excited for Tozex to release. We're super excited to see some of the ideas people will launch on the platform and the growth of Tozex. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and if you guys have any questions, leave that below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.